In this video, I will show you how to create a Telegram bot for channel. First of all, open Telegram application, click on search icon, and search for BotFather. Click on it. Start the bot. Click on Add New Bot. Then choose a name for your bot. Then username should end with _bot. After this, copy the whole text. Then come back and search for group help. Start the bot. Then click on the Add Me to a group. Then choose a group which you want to make it as an admin. Allow all the permissions. Then click on it. Now successfully you added your group as admin. Now search your bot. Start it. Now you have successfully created your bot. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.